Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over my guest room. And we are using tons of colors and mixed prints, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to turn out in the end. Now there's one thing that I do know. The new bed is going to make everyone who stays want to stay an extra few nights. The one thing you need in every guest room is an amazing mattress, so I have partnered with LULL for this video, and I can't wait to share with you my amazing new mattress. This mattress is gorgeous, it's comfortable, and most of all, it's affordable, and I am obsessed with it. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello, and you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over my guest room. For this room, I chose a colorful, eclectic boho vibe that incorporates thrift store makeovers and some pieces that didn't quite fit into the rest of the house after my move. And since every guest room needs a good bed, I chose LULL's original mattress because it's a perfect mix of comfort and support with a cooling gel-infused layer on top. The mattress arrived neatly packaged in a big box, and the setup was easy and convenient. And another reason I chose LULL is because they don't use any harmful chemicals or ozone depleters in their products. So it's great for you and the environment. Win-win. The bed is the focal point of every bedroom, so make sure to check out LULL's original mattress. They offer a 365-night trial, free shipping, and a lifetime warranty. Plus, I'm going to leave a discount link below for $300 off any LULL original mattress. So make sure to check them out, and you can save a little money while you're at it. For this room, I was able to repurpose a couple of lamps with a little gold spray paint and a quick hot glue and fabric lampshade makeover. And I'll leave a link to how I made over these lampshades in the description below. Your home printer and a thrift store frame is all you need to create colorful collage art with your favorite images. This desk was a little bit older and a bit banged up, so with a little bit of Benjamin Moore paint, it has a whole new life. And I love that I left the top a natural wood so that it matches the bed frame. These nightstands were $5 each at a yard sale, and I had a blast making them over in a bright Kelly green with Decor transfers. I'm gonna leave a link to LULL and everything I used for this video in the description below, including links to all the projects that I used to fill this room. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye!